Welcome to Spotlight. I'm Terry Harrington. I'll be speaking with Cliff Thomason from the Athletic Factory. Today's show is sponsored by Semco Energy Gas Company. Well, Cliff, welcome to Spotlight.
Thank you. I appreciate being here.
Well, it's hard to believe the Athletic Factory's been around for about 7 years already.
Oh, man, it's been, we became incorporated in 2017, a nonprofit status in 2018, February, and the rest is history. Time has flown by.
Well, let's just remind the community what the Athletic Factory is all about and what your mission is.
So the Athletic Factory really focuses on student athletes. So our mission is really to be the hub for student athletes. So we create an opportunity for them to have opportunities athletic-wise, whether it's recreational or competitive. We have, travel basketball teams. We have some travel volleyball teams. We also have some recreational leagues for younger kids from K through second all the way up. But what's really important is that when you categorize a student athlete, it says student first. So our goal really is to make sure that we're catering to them and their needs for academics. So we offer free after-school tutoring also. So really our goal is to be the hub for the needs of student athletes, whether that's improving your skill set and also your academics in school.
And my guess is really, you may be focusing on the athletic and the student part while they're still in high school and in middle school, but this really translates into the skill set that they're going to need once they finish their formal education. Absolutely,
because a lot of times when you play team sports, it teaches you discipline and commitment and dedication, loyalty, hard work. A lot of those things that you learn in team sports or in gatherings with other young youth, you learn how to navigate through life with being a hard worker and being dedicated, committed to your craft.
Yeah, it's not just the playing of the game.
That's right. That's right.
But you're also expanding. You mentioned you do a lot of things with the academic piece. You've got a new piece coming up to help some students that may be interested. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so it's not as new, but we're just kind of reinvigorating it. So it's a auto body work internship that we have in partnership with Cawood Auto. And it's an 8-week program that we offer to high school students and college students to teach them about auto body work. And so it's a great opportunity for them to get some real life experience. The first 4 weeks after they fill out the application and get interviewed by the manager is kind of learning the process. And then if they decide to continue to the second 4 weeks, it's compensated.
Really? So obviously it gives them a little part-time job, but learn a good skill as well.
Yeah, in that 8-week process, the second 4 weeks they'll get paid.
Now, you have other type of programs like that around the community too, don't you?
Yeah, so besides sports, we offer, even though it's a part of sports, esports, which is video gaming. Mm-hmm. A lot of people, kind of frown towards that, but some people don't understand that video gaming, depending on what you play, develops critical thinking, problem-solving ability. Some of these games require thought process and mathematics. And within that, you can learn how to code, you can learn how to program, you can learn how to, learn how to do cybersecurity and AI. So a lot of technology things that we all depend on right now can start from video gaming.
Now, do you have any kids go to the SC4 esports program?
We actually had some meetings with some of the staff there, and I've had a chance to see the facility there, but we haven't partnered with them yet, but we have talked about doing some partnerships with them.
And it's amazing how many other colleges around the state have those programs too to get
what's really great about that is one of the coaches for the Rocket League program at MSU actually came to our facility to support us in our initiative with esports.
So how many student athletes are you working with right now?
So a combination, we're about 2,100 all together with all the programs that we do. Besides, like we have 7 travel basketball teams. This year might be 8. We have 3 travel volleyball programs. And then we do all the recreational stuff, biddy volleyball, 3rd and 4th grade, 5th and 6th grade, biddy basketball, all the way up to 5th and 6th grade. And then in the summer, we have recreational programs. We have our after-school program that we're really proud of at East Shore Leadership Academy. That's K through 8th grade. So not just a certain niche, but in the youth community, it's about 2,100 plus.
Well, that's
Yeah.
fantastic.
Yeah.
So if someone is interested in getting their child or students interested in joining the Athletic Factory, what do they need to do? What kind of costs and how do they go about doing that?
Sure, some of the programs are free. Some of the programs you have to charge a fee, but they can just go to our website, theathleticfactory.org. Usually when we're having new programs or new things coming up, we always put it on our website. My number's on there also. They can inquire or send an email to inquire also.
And we probably should tell them where you're located too, shouldn't we?
Sure. So the Athletic Factory is located at 1517 10th Street. So that's not across the street from Walgreens. It's actually connected to Trinity Lutheran Church. They used to have a school there. We've been leasing that area since 2020. So that's our location.
Here we are, middle of February, still not too late to get involved, is it?
That's right.
Well, Cliff, we want to thank you for sharing a little bit about what the Athletic Factory is doing and your new auto body program that you have as well.
Thank you.
And we want to thank you for joining us on Spotlight.